seen these motivational TikToks? They're all over the place.
Wake up and sniff the potential. Today's about to get a serious kick in the ass. Throw back a cup of ambition with a shot of don't give a shit.
And they get tons of views. Like this one has over 800,000 views. Now with Wondershare Virbo, you can create viral motivational TikToks and shorts. And it's super simple. Here's how to make viral motivational shorts using AI. Now for this example, let's take a popular movie character. Now one that comes to mind as far as wise motivational character is Gandalf from Lord of the Rings. Here's how we'll make him speak any words we want. Step 1 is to go on the Wondershare Virbo app on your phone, go to AI photo generator, and then AI image. Then I wrote this prompt so it can generate Gandalf, and then you guys are gonna write whatever you want. Then you can choose the style you want. We'll choose cinematic for this one because it's my favorite one. And then we'll choose the frame size. We're gonna keep it vertical for this one. And then after you do that, you do generate image. Next, you wanna tap on the talking photo on the bottom right. After it detects his face, you can insert here whatever you want him to say. Now let's type the motivational speech. And next, let's choose the type of voice. And we'll go with a UK male voice. You know, Gandalf has that British accent. If you wanna do more editing, you can use other editors to enhance the video. But right now, let's export it and see the final result.
Your only limit is your mind. Push past the boundaries and discover your true potential. Unless it involves math, then, well, good luck.
Ooh, look at that wisdom. It almost makes me want to climb a mountain. But let's be honest, I'll probably just climb back into bed. Now remember, with Virbo, even Gandalf himself would say, "You shall not pass up the opportunity to make stunning videos." And that's how to make motivational videos on TikTok. Click the link below to download Wondershare Virbo.